I wish these cashews were part of our original plantings. We would be a lot further ahead. We have some plants that, even after 3 years being in the ground, are still smaller than this cashew right here, which is only 6 months old. The ones here are all 6 months from seed, and they're growing really well. This is an area of the property where most of the plants we planted died because it's just too much solar exposure in the afternoon. And the soil here is very rocky, and I also assume it's very acidic. We haven't tested it, but I assume it's similar to most of the other parts of the property, which are too acidic with too much aluminum saturation for most crop species to grow. And they do really well here. They even seem to do better in the areas where the soil is very rocky. Of course, we've also planted some avocados in that line right there. And those are doing okay because we added a ton of different amendments. Lots of sawdust mulch and guinea pig manure, even some chicken manure. So those have had a lot. Whereas the cashews, on the other hand, the cashews haven't had anything other than just the original handful of forest soil that we used when we planted the seeds directly right here. As you can see, they look very healthy. This is probably the most inhospitable part of the entire property. There's one growing right there. We just weed whacked a little pathway up here at the top perimeter of the property next to the road. The cashews are on this extremely steep slope right here. They get a lot of afternoon hot sun. There's lots of rocks. It's a very rocky substrate right here. These are all 6 months from seed, and they're growing very well.